Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making my daughter's birthday cake. She specifically asked for a strawberry cake with strawberry buttercream, two-tiered for her friends, made with the theme Hello Kitty. Let's get started. For this cake, I made a 7-inch and a 5-inch strawberry cake and strawberry Swiss meringue buttercream. I filled the cake with strawberry buttercream and slices of strawberries. I used a bit more buttercream to help the next layer to stick. And one layer had an inexplicable hole in it, so I filled it with a piece of strawberry. I frosted it with strawberry buttercream and cleaned up the cake board. Then I did the same thing to the 5-inch cake. I'm also assembling this cake on a piece of cardboard cut to size and wrapped in aluminum foil. And I frosted both tiers again, chilling them between frosting them in the fridge for about 10 minutes or so. Then I rolled out some white fondant and covered both tiers with it. I smoothed it on with my fondant smoother in my hands and cut off the excess with a knife. Then I place some dowels cut to size into the bottom tier. This will make sure that the cake doesn't collapse under the weight of the top tier. And I place the top tier on the bottom tier. I rolled out some white fondant and cut some triangles and folded them into ears and placed them on the top tier. I made a couple circles of black fondant and placed them onto the side of the top tier. I made some thin strips of black fondant and placed it on the side of the top tier as Hello Kitty's whiskers. And I placed a yellow circle in the middle as Hello Kitty's nose. And I used some pink fondant and a bow cutter to make a pink bow. And I placed it on the right ear. Then I rolled out some pink fondant and used 2 sizes of heart cutters to make a bunch of hearts and set them aside. And I did the same thing out of blue fondant. And purple fondant, all of my daughter's favorite colors. Then I started placing them all over the bottom tier. I started with a connection between the 2 tiers and the bottom of the bottom tier, and then spread the hearts all over the side of the bottom tier. I absolutely love this cake. I think the Hello Kitty idea comes across, and my daughter specifically asked for these colors and hearts all over it. She absolutely loved it and had a lovely party for her 6th birthday. Happy birthday, Natalie. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.